Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay July 30, 2025 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong July 30, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, July 30, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 30, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, July 30, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of July 30, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.